A very heartbreaking and gloomy day for the Bollywood industry as the industry has lost a popular filmmaker. Well, popular filmmaker Raj Kaushal, the husband of Bollywood actress Mandira Bedi, is no more. On Wednesday morning, this popular celebrity of B-Town suffered a massive heart attack. On Wednesday, around 4:30 am, the 49-year-old filmmaker breathed his last after suffering from a massive heart attack. This news got confirmed by none other than popular actor of Indian TV and Bollywood Ronit Roy. Raj Kaushal was at his home when he faced the massive heart attack. By the time Mandira Bedi and other family members could do anything, it was already too late and Raj was gone. Raj Kaushal is survived by his beloved wife Mandira Bedi and their two kids Veer and Tara. Soon after the news was out, their Bandra residence, Rama, was flooded with faces from the glamour world. Mandira Bedi was spotted crying uncontrollably while everyone was trying to console her. Ashish Chaudhary, popular actor, a very close friend of Raj and Mandira, was spotted at the house. Ronit Roy was present there too by Mandira Bedi's side, who has completely broken down by the sudden demise of her husband. The last journey of the filmmaker and producer was commenced at the Shivaji Park, Dadar in Mumbai. Mandira Bedi, who is often spotted beaming with a smile, was inconsolable while bidding the last bye to her husband. Popular actor Sameer Soni along with his wife Mansi Joshi Roy was spotted too at Mandira Bedi's residence. Neha Dhupia, who was a great friend with Raj, shared a post in his loving memory. Many popular Bollywood stars like Vicky Kaushal, Anupam Kher, Boman Irani, Shekhar Ravijani has grieved the loss through their post. We, the team of Smoky Evening, prays that may his soul rest in peace.